Hi, my name is Imaderas Bawa, and my name 19101045, and I'm from class W. Now I will to make a tutorial about editing photo, and here I'm use the application name is Photoshop. Photoshop is image processing created by Adobe. This application can do Acer to edit photo like fill photo, uh, change the photo and to crop the photo. Okay, now I will going to practice.
Okay, this is a Photoshop application. This first the view of the application. Okay, the first one you must to import the image in the application. You can import the image from you can click file and open, and then you choose the image you will to edit. Now I used to this photo. Okay, this SpongeBob photo. Now I will to the selection the boat and the SpongeBob only, and then the rest will be to the transparent. This background too will be transparent. Okay, before to edit, you must to the from the layer and then change to the background to the layer. You can change double click in the background and to click OK. You can change name. Click OK, and then the background will to change the layer. Okay, and here I use the tools. It is named the quick selection. Beside that, there are also tools that can you be to use but to complete cut about like you can use the pen tool or the magic wand tools, because this magic tool or the pen tool is complicated to use, and then I will use to the quick selection to make it simple. Okay, now you can select the background. You can click the background. You can zoom the image using the Control plus and then to zoom, and you can zoom out. You can click the control and min in your keyboard. Okay, you can select more detail. Select bigger for you. Okay, if you don't just select the object, you can delete the background and you can click delete from your keyboard. Okay, the background has delete, and then the background will to the transparent. You can hide the line the selection. You can click the Control D to hide the line selection. Okay, this photo has been selected. you can save the photo. You can click file and save as, and then you can rename the file name. I use name is data1, and then you can change the format to PNG. Okay, you can save. Okay, now you have the image you edit in the Photoshop. You can see the result, your photo. This is my result, and then the background must be transparent because I'm the selected only boot and the SpongeBob.
Okay, this is a tutorial about how to select the object, and then you can remove the background. Actually, edit photo too is simple when you know to off the edge tools from the application. Okay, this is Alma tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you and goodbye.